In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create smart Ctas in Hubspot. To get started, log into your Hubspot account. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct workspace and that you can see your main dashboard. Logging in is the first step because all of the CTA tools are tied to your account settings, and you need to access the marketing section to create anything new. Once you are logged in, go to the marketing area, click on marketing, and then look for the CTAs option. In many Hubspot layouts, CTAs are located directly under marketing, so this should be a straightforward navigation. This matters because the CTAs page is where you manage existing call-to-action content and create new CTAs from templates. On the CTAs page, you will want to create a new one. Look for the Create button in the top right corner and click it. This button typically opens a flow that helps you choose the type of CTA you want to build. When you click Create, you are telling HubSpot that you want to generate a fresh CTA you can later target using smart rules. Next, select the lead capture template. After clicking the template, proceed to use it as your base. The lead capture template is designed specifically for collecting leads, so it is a good match when your goal is to drive signups or gather information from visitors. Choosing the template now helps you avoid starting from scratch and ensures the CTA has the right structure. Now that the template is selected, you will move on to configuring smart targeting. Find the Smart Rules dropdown and click it. This dropdown controls how HubSpot decides who sees your CTA. Smart Rules are the feature that makes your CTA feel personalized, because you can set conditions like audience traits and targeting type. After you open the Smart Rules dropdown, select your targeting type. This is where you tell HubSpot what kind of targeting you want to use. For example, you may be able to choose how the CTA matches against visitors or contacts. Make sure the targeting type you choose aligns with your marketing goal, since it affects what options you will see next. Then choose the specific audience criteria value. This is the particular condition that defines your audience. Look carefully at the options available and select the value that matches who you want to target. It helps to think about your best fit audience before you select this, because your smart Ctas will only appear for people who match the criteria you set here. After selecting the targeting type and the audience criteria value, click Next. This takes you to the next stage of setup, so you can review what you are about to create. Clicking Next is important because it moves the configuration from targeting settings into preview and final setup. With the next screen open, you should click Preview. The preview step lets you see how your CTA will look and how it is expected to behave. Take a careful moment here to confirm that the content and layout look correct and that everything is ready to go. This reduces the chance of needing to make changes after you publish. When you have reviewed the preview and everything looks good, click Save. Saving ensures your CTA settings are stored within HubSpot, so you do not lose your work. This step is especially important if you are not publishing right away or if you want to verify that the configuration is complete. Finally, click Publish. Publishing activates the CTA so that it can start showing to the people matched by your smart rules. Once it is published, it becomes live in your intended channels based on the CTA configuration. Make sure you are ready for it to go live when you publish, since the CTA may appear to eligible visitors shortly after activation. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.